Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back, and the other one didn't work, so I went to the store and buy new glue. So let's open it up. Oh, put measure. I put a measure. I put 3 times this time. Enough. And another one. And one more last cup. Need to be the one. It's kind of messy there. So, yeah. And now I put the activator in here. Not too much. Put it there. If it doesn't work, it's okay. And I put glitter, my last thing in the glitter. Glitter. Pretty, guys. So blue. My favorite color is blue, guys. Okay. I don't think it's working, guys. So, I think it's found this one. So, I think I'll just see if it's gonna work again. So, bye, guys. I hope you like it. Put the thumbs up and subscribe it. Bye. Bye.
What's your channel's name?
Oh, Bella's World. Bye.